Changing the phone number associated with your Binance account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly and securely. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Binance website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the profile icon or account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select security settings. In the account settings menu, find and select the security option. This section contains various security features, including your phone number settings. Step 4. Change phone number. Look for the option to change your phone number. You may need to verify your identity through two-factor authentication, 2FA, or email confirmation. Follow the prompts to enter your new phone number. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering your new phone number, Binance will send a verification code to that number. Enter the code in the provided field to confirm the change. Once verified, your phone number will be updated. Make sure to keep your account secure by regularly updating your security settings. If you encounter any issues, Binance support is available to assist you.